Namaste students. In today's lesson, we will explore computational thinking for grade 3. Chapter 1, What's in a Name? Here we go with the first question. Find the largest number name that is hidden in the given series. There is a note. Letters in the number name should appear together as continuous letters. I found one here. It is 11. And here we have 4, and here we have 20, and here we have 6. So I have found 4 numbers: 11, 4, 20, and 6. The question is all about large number name. Which is the largest number? Obviously it is 20. Great. The next question is as on the screen. Roy's favorite number name has 3 letters, and the condition is number of vowels is double the number of consonants. So let's note down the number names. This is 2, this is 6, and here we have 10, and here we have 1. And now let's note down the number of vowels and the number of consonants in each number. So here there is 1 vowel and 2 consonants. Here we have 1 vowel and 2 consonants. In this case, we have 1 vowel again and 2 consonants. And here we have 2 vowels and 1 consonant. Therefore, 1 is the answer as it satisfies the given condition. Number of vowels is double the number of consonants. Great. Okay, here we have the next question. If each given boxes follows the same theme, what will come in the place of question mark? Question mark is here. Let's understand the theme or the pattern given. As you see, 5, 4, 6 are the number names which are shaded. As you see, 5 is shaded, 4 is shaded, 6 is shaded. And 8, 2, 7 are the symbols, those which are not shaded. So I get the pattern. Write the name of the shaded number, it's 3, and write the symbol of the unshaded number, which is 9. So the option is B. Great. Yes, students, here we have the next question. If each of the following terms follows the same theme, what will come in place of question mark? As you see here, the number name is 1 and the numbers are starting from 1. And here it's mentioned 3, therefore we have 3 numbers. I believe you found the pattern. Number name is 3, so start with 3 and note down 5 numbers as it's 5 over here. And here the number name is 6. Yes, we will note down 4 numbers: 6, 7, 8, 9. And as you see here, the number name is 4. So let's note down 4. And since here it is 3, we'll have to note down 3 numbers starting from 4. So it's 4, 5, and 6. Therefore, the answer is option C. Great. Okay, the next question is, if each of the following terms follows the same theme, what will come in place of question mark? Here I have a triangle with a circle in it, and there are 3 such in the given square. and that is the highest in number. The same is here. There is a pentagon and there is a rhombus in it where I have four of such symbols, and here I have a square with a circle in it, and there are five such symbols in the third square. So coming to the fourth square, I see a circle with a triangle which is more in number, therefore the answer is A. Oh, okay, great. I believe this is the easiest question. Find the odd one out. Obviously, it's gonna be B, as option A, the bike, option C, the scooter, option D, the car. All these are road transport, where option B is airways. Great. Coming to the next question, which of the following number names given in the option will come second if arranged in dictionary order of their names? So let's note down the number names: 5, 6, 8, and 9. Now let us arrange them in the dictionary order, which is alphabetical order. So your E comes first, then F, then N, then S. Therefore, the second arranged in dictionary order is, obviously it is 5, option A. Great. Here we have the next question. Each shape has a letter in it. Yes. Spelling or the name of which of the following numbers given in the option can be formed by combining the letters in circles. Okay, let's make note of the letters in the circles. I have E, I have I have N, and another N. Great, I believe you found the answer. It's gonna be 9. Nine. Great. So here we have the next question. Spelling of which of the following numbers given in options is present in the group of letters given below? Okay. So here we have 2, 7, 3, 8. Let's go for the hunt. Okay. I guess I found it. No, which is not here. Actually, I have 11, but that's not the option as it is not mentioned. Great. Believe you found it. It's gonna be 3. That sounds great. Thank you, students. We'll meet in the next video.